We're at Great Wolf Lodge in Lagrange, Georgia.
Let's check it out.
Let's go.
When you first walk in, there is the check-in counter to the right. All the rooms are over to the right too, so you'll be going through that door over there, or that hallway, to get to all the rooms. On the left side, as soon as you walk in, is the gift shop. Don't forget your ears that are free. They'll tell you about that. And then up here to the left is also where you turn and go to the water park and adventure, Great Wolf Adventure Park. And I see a character down there. Let's catch up with him. Let's go visit. Is this the good wolf or the bad wolf?
It's a good wolf.
That's the good wolf? Okay. Hey, in the Christmas spirit too, huh? Oh. Thank you. There is a game throughout Great Wolf you can play. This is one of them. You got to have the sword to play this game. It's called Map Quest. I'm sure a lot more people are more familiar with it than I am, but this is just one of the places. This is a little area here where they have different presentations. They have some characters that come out and perform here, and this is right behind the fireplace. There's also a candy company here. If you want some candy, then they have candy in the candy shop. There is a Build-A-Bear workshop here. We're not going to go in here. There are a lot of kids and they're building bears here. I went to Florida to play golf, and I haven't played golf since I've been there in so long. Check it out. That's pretty cool, huh? That is all right.
So it's got different. It's got like football right here.
Oh wow!
Soccer,
So you can play.
dodgeball.
Oh my! So it ain't just golf.
Oh yeah, no, it's got everything.
Yeah, baseball, everything.
Then we got hockey right here.
Oh my! Wow, that's cool. Wow, I thought it was just golf, but it's a lot of different things. And you got the bar behind you, so you can have a couple drinks before you to improve your game. Remember that thing I was saying earlier about the different things you can do with the swords and stuff like that? Well, there you go. And they have different games that you can play. Different characters you can be. Here's the ropes course that you can play. Also the putt-putt and all kinds of stuff. You can even come here and mine for some gold. Look at it. Look at this. Isn't this wild? I wonder how much gold you're gonna find in there. Inside the bus here is a bunch of tacos. You get a taco fix. They also got some other things like nachos and got burritos, quesos, taco salad, pork cornitas, all kinds of good stuff in there. And right behind the bus is the place where you can order hamburgers and things like that. And hadn't been in here, not sure what's going on here. This has been kind of, maybe because it's Sunday and Monday, this place has kind of been closed the whole time we've been here. Haven't seen too much going on in here. The Campfire Kitchen has a morning breakfast buffet. It's 24 and some change, so check it out. I didn't have time to eat there. We're about to hit the road, but maybe next time. And then there's the pizza place, and the pizzas in here look really good. I've seen some people with these pizzas and they look really delicious. Here is a game room, and you got different little putt-putt places. You can play some putt-putt. Watch out for the bear that is sleeping over there in his tent. Don't wake him up. And welcome to the water park. Hi. So as you walk in, we made the mistake of bringing our towels down here. You don't have to. They have a towel station right here where you can get the towel. As soon as you walk in, it's pretty warm, very muggy, and you can smell the chlorine. Hi. Here's the wave pool. It has waves every like 15 minutes. There's a lot of waves, and it's pretty warm, so not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Let's have private cabanas here. You can rent. This is the back side of the bus. There's the taco place, and there's the other restaurant down here where you can grab a bite to eat at from the inside. The rest of the kiddie park. Try not to get any of the kids in here, but it's really hard because that's what this place is all about. And they got some kiddie slides over there. They've also got a small little lazy river there too. And there's the waves from the wave pool again. Pretty cool. There's also a bar here. You can grab a drink if the kids are getting on your nerves and you need a break. There you go. Part of the lazy river. Like I said, it's pretty small. There's not a lot of people here. It is almost 7 o'clock, and this place closes at 8 o'clock and opens at 10. I wish it was open earlier or stayed open later, but it does not. We take the stairs up to the slides. We're not going to do it. Haven't seen anybody really on the slides. I'm not sure if it's open. I guess they are. There's a lifeguard here, but that's where you'll come out. But you start way up there and go outside the building and come back around, and then you come out at these little areas here. There's two different places. I guess it is open. I just don't see anybody, and we don't have enough time on this trip to actually ride the slide. We were planning on it, but we just completely ran out of time. So like I said, you can decorate a cabana for a party, and look, the waves are going. There's nobody down on this end here. Try not to get those folks in here, but the wave is going, and it gets kind of high. It's nice. It's nice. And outside here is a jacuzzi. Here's the back side. That is the main lobby there. There are all the rooms here. As you see, like I said, it's November. The pool is empty. They will not allow you in that area there. And here's the water park over here. Indoor water park, and the jacuzzi is right behind me. But that's the main lobby where we started from. So let's make our way back there. And over there is where I was just at. The jacuzzi and everything. There's the pool. And now I'm back over here on this side. There is another bar here. Got a lot of outdoor seating. It is raining. This is the next day. We're trying to get packed up and head on the road. Got a couple fire pits, but I wondered what these little bubbles were, and I think I figured it out now. Oh, there's a lot of birds here. A lot of birds hanging out right here, but sorry, this attraction is closed. I'm not sure what that's about. Let's go check it out. There's a thing you can scan for more information, but snow globes is what it's called. So I guess there's snow in there somehow, and you can sit in there and eat in the snow, I guess. I don't know. Room 4203 is our room. We've never been here. Use your bracelet. We hadn't put them on our wrist yet. Open the door. It is dark. I can't see. Let's turn the light switch on. This is our first look at our room. As soon as you walk in, you got the shower and the toilet. And you got the soap. Got the towels. Wow, that's pretty kind of odd that there's not a sink in there, but here's the sink on the right when you walk in, and the closet space is right there. So as you walk in, got a nice paw print up there. And then here's the room, y'all. This is our room. Makes you feel like you're in a wolf lodge. Got a big TV, looks like 65-inch. Comes with a fridge. I got a coffee maker and everything there. Got a nice little table over here with a lamp. Little seating area here. I'm sure that pulls out into a bed. And let's see what our room looks like from up here. Wow. Look at that. There's the water park. We're right across from it. But that's the outdoor part, which is kind of closed, I think. Although there's people out there in that jacuzzi. I guess that's heated, but there's the water park over there from this side of the room. Pretty cool. Nice. These are queen size beds. Goodness, look at the bags underneath my eyes. Wow. Hey folks, it's time for us to check out our Great Wolf Lodge here in Lagrange, Georgia.
We're super sleepy.
Yeah, we did sleep good last night, but we're still tired. But we had a lot of fun. This is a great place, and we're going to tell you some good things and some bad things about it. So whenever you want to make your reservation, you'll be ready. So what's some good things?
It's a beautiful place. The staff is wonderful.
Amazingly
They've got a lot of things to do, but it's geared more toward families with young or younger children.
Yeah, it is. We didn't bring the grandkids with us this time. This was kind of an explorer thing before, try it before you buy it kind of thing.
Well, they were in school this week.
Yeah,
so.
they're in school. And we're on our way to Helen, Georgia. So
very excited.
We thought we'd stop in here and kind of look around and see what everything is about, as you have seen. Some of the other positives is they have a wave pool.
We got ears.
You get free ears when you check in, and Marcy made me wear these just for this, since this is already going off. But there were a few small little negatives. If you want to nitpick, the TV, if you're watching TV, it kind of spaces out sometimes, like
it lags. It's on satellite
lags. And it ain't just because it's raining, because yesterday it wasn't raining and it was doing the same thing. It's clear. So I don't know what that was about. I think the other one, Marcy, kind of upset her a little bit because she had her on her bathing suit ready to go swimming. What happened, baby?
Well, you got down there at around 9 or 9:15 because we were told by the staff member the night before that that's what time the pool opened and all the water park and everything. As it turns out, it doesn't open until 10 on certain days.
Yeah, they don't have their signage. They don't have signs posted. You got to ask somebody, and hopefully they'll tell you the right time.
And some people told us 9. Some people told
Great
us
Wolf,
10.
This is something for you to learn from. Great Wolf. Post signs like on the water park, what time the times are open and what time they close. The other bummer was they close at 8 o'clock. Everything pretty much closes at 8 o'clock here. So if you want to do something after 8 o'clock, you probably have to leave the
lodge.
Leave the lodge, yeah.
But it is beautiful.
It is beautiful.
They have a lot of amenities, a lot of things. The rooms are nice.
The rooms are very nice.
The towels are super fluffy.
The bed slept really good. The pillows were great. They had a decent amount of channels, but you also had you can watch YouTube and Netflix in the room, so that was a plus. And like I said, overall it was a great experience. I would probably give it an 8.5 out of 10. What do you think?
Well, it depends. If we brought the grandkids, then it would have been probably a 10, but
yeah,
it's geared more toward families with younger children.
Yeah, that's what it's about.
But we're kids at heart, so
we are.
We're good.
We are. I couldn't get Marcy on the slide, as you saw in the video, but I forgot about it actually. And then whenever I did think about it, it was time for it to close. So that was that.
But we
is
did
what it
enjoy
is.
the jacuzzi. The jacuzzi's big, a lot of space in there, but it was always very busy. And the wave pool was nice.
Fun.
Yeah, and fun.
And they do have lifeguards, just so you know.
Yeah.
At every station, they have a lifeguard.
They have a small lazy river, and as you saw, they have the slides, but we didn't do that. And they have the kiddie section there with all the little stuff.
They have basketball, pool basketball, and then they have these, I don't know what these things are called, but they're in the pool and you can run across them and try to keep your balance. They're
Yeah, we saw a couple kids slipping around on those.
Yeah.
Looked like they were having fun.
And of course they have a wonderful small children's splash pad water park thing.
Yeah.
But it's all in all, it's much smaller than I thought it would be here.
Yeah, it was smaller than I had anticipated too. So, but other than that, I mean, it was a great stay, great place to come, especially on a weekend. Spend a weekend here with the
And
kids.
especially with young children.
Yeah. So that's gonna wrap it up for us,
So like, subscribe, ring that bell.
and we will see you on the next video.
See ya.
Bye.